All right, so we'd had a problem with this carburetor dribbling gas a little bit. When we put it back, when we did the top end on this bike and put the carb back on, put everything back together, put gas in it, and it's dribbling gas a little bit out of the carburetor. Intermittently, we'll say that. So set the float height 17 millimeters, where it should be, and put the float bowl back on. It would be fine. And check it, tap on it, and it would quit dribbling. So figure float's sticking somehow. Hold it back off, check the float bowl for sand or debris or anything in there. Sometimes you get sand in the float bowl, and that'll do an intermittent thing. Did that, everything's cool, nothing wrong. Replace the float needle and the needle seat and reset the float height. Same thing, dribble just a little bit. So pulled it off there, and what I found is this. I don't know if you can see this or not. This vent tube right here is slightly bent. Not slightly, it's bent pretty good. If you compare it to this one, this is a known good one off of my carburetor, this one on the right here. So if you look at them, you see the difference. So with this being bent, that's hitting the float. And just something for you to check there if you ever have this problem. If you can see that. See how far off that one is compared to that one. So just something for you to check there. I'll put that back together this afternoon and then have to diagnose the ignition not having any power to it. But that's Mikuni HSR42 carburetor.